Take a ride in 2021 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.